Yes, yes.
Hello, sir. My name is Saqib Razvi. I like the brand Flying Machine, which is a clothing brand. I like it because the jeans are a lot, you can say, they last very long. So that is why I like the Flying Machine brand a lot.
Okay, thank you. Good. Next.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Hi, sir. My name is Nandan.
yes, Nandan.
Sir, I like the brand Mercedes Benz because
Yes.
the way they manufacture and the way of classy of the cars, I like them also.
Okay, good. Thank you. Next one.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
This is Alia, sir. I like
Yes, yes.
Lakme.
Just a minute. So going back, two persons again repeat your name by switching on your video. Okay, Sakib and Nanda. So please switch on your
Yes, sir.
video, tell your name, and then you can move on. Alia, I will be coming
Yes,
back
sir.
to you. Yes. Those who are telling your name, you have to
Yes, sir.
switch on your video. Okay, yes.
Hi, sir. My name is Nandan.
Yes, Nandan, yes. Okay. Mercedes Benz. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. My name is Saqib Razvi. I like the brand Flying Machine.
Okay. So back to Alia.
Yes, sir. This is Alia. I like Lakme, sir. I like all the products as they suit my face.
Okay, good. Next. Fast, fast, fast.
Good morning, sir. I'm Yamini.
Switch on your video, please.
Good morning, sir. I'm Yamini. I love the collection of watches, sir. So I love branded watches. So I one of the favorite is Daniel Wellington. So it is one of why I like it is because it is reasonable and it's cost worthy.
Okay,
So I
thank
like it.
you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
fine, fine, fine. Yamini. Okay. Next.
Hello, sir. My name is Akshay. I like the brand, the Apple company, because of the security they provide and the premium quality of the
Akshay,
devices.
switch on the video. Switch on the.
Sir, I'm sorry, that's some technical problem with my webcam. I can't switch on it right
Yes,
now.
and a reminder. Yes, yes. Tell me, Akshay.
Yes, sir. My name is Akshay, and I like the brand Apple Co. Because of the security they provide and the premium quality of their products they deliver.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Mm.
Next. So only four people are present in the class. Can I mark it as a present only for the four? No need to type. Okay.
Morning, sir.
Hi everyone, this is Mebin Matthew. I like the brand Nike because of the quality and the footwear they provide.
Okay. Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
This is. I like the brand Puma because it has its products in all the lines like footwear, clothing, and all that. So that is why I like the brand Puma.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Next.
Good morning, sir. My name is Alexander Mamet, and I like the brand Samsung because it is mainly into electronics and it is a leader in the industry.
Okay. Good. So you like only the leaders.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Sir, I like the brand Xiaomi because it's in a best quality as well as in a lowest price, which gives a lot of benefits to everyone. It's very budget friendly to everyone. So being a student, it's very budget friendly. So I like the brand Xiaomi, sir.
Okay. Good. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
I'm Harshita. I like the brand Samsung.
What's your name?
Even it's not
Whether
Harshita.
Galaxy A50s.
Yes, sir.
You have to rename yourself. Okay. Otherwise, attendance cannot
Okay.
be marked. Please understand. If your name is not,
Okay.
the system cannot give attendance. Okay. So please, all of you, please rename your profile.
Okay.
Yes, yes, please proceed.
I like the brand Samsung because even its sold, its customers are increasing year by year, and because of its camera and storage, expandable storage and reasonable price, etc. I like the brand Samsung.
Okay, good. Yes, thank you. Next.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vikas Yadav. I like the brand Range Rover because of its sophisticated technology.
Okay, good. Next.
Hello, sir. This is Jeevita. I want to talk about Asian Paints. It was the #1 paint. It was served worldwide, and its headquarters was in Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Next.
Good morning, sir. My name is Darshan. I like the brand Ducati because it's one of the best selling and good quality bikes around the world, sir.
Okay, good. Next.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Please ask one by one. Yes. Yes, next person can speak. Yes.
Morning, sir.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mary Nishka. I like Burberry brand, sir. I like perfumes, so I like that brand, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you. Next.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. I'm Vignesh.
Yes, Vignesh.
Sir, I like Yamaha brand because of its durability of the engine and the long lasting of the bike, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you. Next.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Sagar. I like the brand Faucet because of its premium waters.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Gautam.
Good morning, sir. My name is Gautam. I like Maruti Suzuki company, sir, which is very reasonable compared to other companies, and even the service charge is very comparable, sir.
Yes. Yes, with Gautam, yes, thank you, Gautam. So with the Gautam, the next question will be changing. All will be prepared with your brand. But what now you have to tell us, the earlier question is why you liked the brand. Okay, so what are the special quality or features of the brand you like the most? Now you have to tell how, so next two persons, okay, the balanced person, this brand, how it is associated with my personality. So you will be having one personality, okay? Either it may be related to the futures or the benefits or the expectations, whatever it may be, okay? You have some personality. So my personality or my expectation is matching this brand, okay? So I am preferring this brand. So you are relating, okay, this brand with that brand. So for example, one person is telling that I like Pulsar means, sir, I am a very sporty person. I want everything to be very fastly, speed, energetic. So I like the brand Bajaj Pulsar. Likewise, you have to relate with your personality, with your preferred brand. So we are going to check if there is any relation between our brand perception about ourselves and our preferred brand. Yes, the balanced people can proceed fast. So no need.
Hello, sir.
Just,
My name is.
Yes, Meena.
Hi. This is Meena here. So I like the brand Rado watches. The reason is because they are a non-charitable, fund organization.
Meena.
So they basically do most. Hello.
Yes, yes. You have to say your personality, how it is related to that brand. Okay. Just 1 minute, friends. Just 1 minute. Hold on. Yes, Meena, please proceed.
Thank you. So basically, I like a lot of charity works and social works. So my, future resolution or something that I would try to look upon is like somewhere similar to the Rado watches, being a charitable fund.
Okay.
So yeah.
Good.
Thank you.
Yes. Next.
Good morning, sir. My name is Deepak.
Yes.
So I like the brand Nike because I'm a sports person. They keep adapting to the changes of the new game and getting new comfort to the play.
Very good. Good. Thank you, Deepak. Next.
Good morning, sir. I'm Pavitra. I like Amazon because I like the way they're sustaining and winning the customer despite the millions of competition. So I feel myself compared to Amazon because I like sustaining in the, competitive world. So thank you.
You like competition. Yes, Pavitra?
Yeah, sir.
But you are not competing to speak first. As like a follower, you are speaking like a 15th person. Why?
I had a network issue.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Next person.
Good morning, sir. I'm
Morning.
Anish. So I basically like Nike shoes. I like that brand because I'm a footballer. So it is very comfortable, and I, as a player, would like to have comfortable shoes, and that makes me feel more energetic. So I think that will go with me, sir.
Good.
Thank you.
Okay, Anish. Thank you. Next.
Hi, sir. Sunil here.
Yes, Sunil.
Yes, sir. I love this brand Mahindra, sir, because he's an Indian-made entrepreneur.
That is
Basically,
Mahindra.
I do off-roading.
The brand is Mahindra.
Anand Mahindra, sir. Mahindra brand. Because basically, I do a lot of off-roading. An Indian-made vehicle you choose, it's just Mahindra. That's why I love Mahindra a lot, sir.
Good, good. Yes. Thank you. Next. Next.
Myself, I'm Million Lucas.
Morning, sir. Kishore Gowda.
Yes.
I like the brand Nike because of its style. It's suitable for me and the reasonable price. I like the brand Nike, sir.
No, what is related to your personality? I'm not asking the benefit.
The style, sir. The style suitable for me.
Okay. Okay. So
The comfortableness of the product.
you prefer stylish brand.
Sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this is Uday.
Yes, Uday.
Sir, I like the brand Royal Enfield. It's because of its tagline, sir. Made like a gun and goes like a bullet. That suits me, sir.
Okay, good. Yes, Uday. Thank you. Next.
Hello, sir. This is Neha here. So my favorite brand is Zara because it's always fashionable and trendy and on point, and it defines my personality because I always want to be like that. And it'll cost you an arm and a leg, but then it's worth it because of the quality. So that's why. Thank you, sir.
Yes, next.
Myself, I'm Million Lucas PL. I
Yes.
like a Realme product because it's good with the price and as well has good features. So I like Realme products, sir.
Okay, good. Yes, Milan. Yes. Next.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Nikhil. I like the brand Bajaj motorcycles because I'm using for since from 5 years. It gives a fantastic mileage and pickup for me. And personally, I feel it's very comfortable bike for me, and it will suit my personality, sir.
Hello, good morning, sir. Myself, I am Shailesh Bhatt, and I like the brand CR7 because I'm a huge fan of Cristiano Ronaldo. Thank you, sir.
Good. Next. Next. Okay, fine. So whoever responded, I can take them as
Good morning, sir.
presence, right? Yes. Can I proceed?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I like the brand Pulsar because it 200 NS actually, because it suits my personality. I like to go very fast on the bike, so and even in sports. I'm more basically a footballer, so I like that brand more.
Okay. Thank you.
Morning, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Please respond short. Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, Mary.
Sir, I'm Rosemary Francis. I like the brand Mercedes-Benz because of the range of products they launch every month according to the needs of the people. And because of the brand name, everyone still prefers to that card still now. So I like that brand.
Rosemary, how it is related to your personality? The question is how it is related to your personality. Sir, I am also like this. Brand is also like this. That way we have.
So, my personality, like wherever you go, you should shine like that and have that status. Like people should know you wherever you go.
Okay, thank you. Yes, good. Next.
Morning, sir.
Yes.
Sir, my name is Roja.
Yes,
And
Roja.
my favorite.
Yes.
Sir, my web camera is not working.
So otherwise, please use your mobile.
Okay, sir. From next section, I'll use phone.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Wait. Roja will continue. Then please.
Sir, my
Okay, sure.
favorite brand is Maybelline.
Yes.
Because my skin is very sensitive, sir. So Maybelline brand is very pigmented and affordable also. So I like Maybelline brand.
Okay, good. Yes, back to Santosh.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, I would just like to prefer Hero motorcycles, mainly Xpulse, because it has provided a low-cost motorcycle for now trending. I love traveling and going off-road, so I would prefer Xpulse. It's one of the best for me when it compares to price and the speed, everything.
Okay. Thank you. Next.
Morning, sir.
Hello.
Yes, Mohammed.
Sir, this is Shoaib here.
Okay.
Hello. I like the brand Arrow because I like dressing up. So that's the reason the Arrow provides premium quality clothing brand. So that's the reason I like.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Next.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Shivaranjani, please switch on your video. Yes.
Good morning, sir. I like Max clothing. It is affordable as well as it comes with a trendy top, sir.
Okay. How
Thank you.
to your personality?
It always comes up with a new style of top, sir.
Okay, you always the new style every day.
Most of the time, sir.
Welcome. Next.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
I like One8 products. I'm a big fan of oily, and so like the products. These are reasonable and very quality products.
Okay.
So I like the product One8.
How it is related to Chetan?
From the gaming side, I like the product One8.
Okay, thank you. Yes.
Hi, sir. Myself, Hemant. Hello.
Hemant, tell me, Hemant.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Hemant. I like Roadster and HRX because at that I want to buy it through Myntra because it will be at its best price. So and it fits my personality. They are at its best price if you buy it through a festival through Myntra.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
it suits me.
Please take care. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, thanks, sir.
Next.
Good morning,
Morning,
sir.
sir.
Morning.
My name is Chaitra.
Let's try by proceed.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, sir. My name is Chaitra. I love the product Adidas because it's a reasonable price for me. And as a yoga girl, I love the products of dresses. So I love the Adidas brand, sir.
Good. Next.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
I'm Kiran.
I like Royal Enfield bikes because it has a very retro look, and the metal used to manufacture Royal Enfield are really good. And the rider who rides Royal Enfield will have a royal look. So I like Royal Enfield.
Okay, good. Yes, Kiran. Next.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
This is Monisha. I like H&M brand because I love stylish as well as trendy clothes, and this brand provides good quality of products. So I love this brand.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. Next. Fine. So hope all the people said. So I will check who are all responded. Yes, Venkat, you want to say?
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes, Yamini.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes. Please tell me, but you are.
Sir, I like.
You are not visible. Only your
just
crystal
a
is visible.
Sir, am I visible, sir?
Good morning, sir.
Yes, please tell me.
I like Camlin Pastoral, sir. I like the. It's my hobby.
Okay.
It is very oil bastards are really affordable in price, sir.
Okay. Fine, Yamini. Thank you. Next.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Kumar.
So Pratibha here. I like Mahindra electric vehicle.
Okay, Pratibha, I can't see you.
Sir, actually, I'm using taps from tomorrow. I'll use them.
Okay, please arrange.
I can't put
Please take them alternative next day. Yes, Pratibha, tell me.
Sir, I like Mahindra electric vehicle because I'm using it past 7-8 years. And it's like everyone we can charge it, and I usually use I take my kids also with me, so it's very much comfortable for me.
Okay.
And it's a pollution free vehicle.
Okay.
So I like the Mahindra electric vehicle.
Okay, Pratibha. Yes. Venkat?
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Yes, Varun.
So I like light fitness, like gym equipments, like that. Those equipments are little costlier, like little less costlier than. So as I wanted to do something in the bodybuilding, so I like the gym equipments which comes under for life fitness, sir.
Okay, fine. Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, I like to prefer Honda bike.
Please brand you first. Please brand you.
Sir, it is not showing my. Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, I like Honda bike because it is a. I like.
First, tell me.
My name is Vishal, and I like to brand Hero because it is very reliable and it is affordable price. That's why I prefer Honda.
Okay, very good. Next.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Anyone?
Sir, my name is Sharon. I like the brand Zudio because it's affordable and comfortable, and it gives a stylish look also. So I like clothing and a bit stylish clothing. So that brand I like.
Good. So you are a stylish person. You are a very comfortable person. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Yes, ma'am.
My name is Ashwin Kumar, and I like the product Xiaomi because it provides a good features with reasonable price.
Okay. How it is related to your personality? Okay. Next.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
I like Peter England.
Who are you?
My name is Vicky. I like Peter England because I like their collections and I like their collections. They have good collections and the quality is good.
That means how it is related to your personality.
That's what, sir. I like their collections and I'm very comfortable using their products.
That is your benefit, Vicky. That is your benefit you are expecting. But how your personality? I am
Yes, sir.
the brand is also.
That's what, sir. I feel myself good using their products, and I'm like I feel much comfortable when I use their products, and I feel myself good, sir, using their products.
Good. Okay, fine. Anyone?
Hello, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes. Good morning.
Yeah, I would prefer like a Royal Enfield because it.
Who are you?
Sorry? Venkata Durga Prasad.
Please tell your name first, sir. First brand. Okay. Venkat, tell me.
Okay, sir. Okay, my name is Venkata Durga Prasad, and I would prefer like Royal Enfield because when I drive, it feels like thrill and excitement, and it brings a unique style of experience like when we drive, and I would prefer to go with that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Mansi, sir, and the brand I prefer is Avasa. It's a clothing brand.
You are not.
So, sorry, sir.
You are not visible.
Sorry, sir. I'm using from the tab. I'm not able to do it. I'll connect it to this one phone tomorrow.
Laptop. Okay. So next.
Yeah, okay, sir. So, my brand is Avasa because I guess that I can relate Avasa to my personalities because it is more reliable and it comes for a longer period of time. I can use it for like 2 years, 3 years. So I guess that is the reason. And I'm a kind of a person who loves fashion and likes to try new things. So I guess Avasa is my brand.
Thank you. Yes. Next.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
So my name is Tejaswini, sir, and I really like Maybelline products because it suits my skin. I have tried other products before, but it didn't suit my skin. So I really like Maybelline products, sir.
How it is related to your personality?
Personality knows actually I used other brands, but it didn't really suit my skin. But once I started using Maybelline, I didn't get any of the infection. My skin started like it was good.
You are getting that is the benefit you are getting. But what I am asking, this brand is similar to me. Like that, you have to say how this brand personality and my personality is similar. So I am liking this. Benefit is okay. I understand.
Yeah, sir. I think it's like it's the way I want it, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kubra, sir. I like Agio brand, sir.
Okay.
Because I'm a simple girl, and in that, how I am, like that clothes I will get, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
This is Pooja.
Yes, Pooja.
I like the brand called Ordinary. That's a skincare brand. I like it because it promises you to give clear skin. So clear skin for me is important because it gives me confidence. So I like it.
Good. Next. Pooja?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Anyone left? Fine. So friends, this last 30 minutes approximately, it can be considered as a self-introduction. Okay, so we introduced ourselves and we explained. So without telling much about us, much about our qualification, okay, much about our strength and weakness. So we might spoke only for 30 seconds maximum. Okay, within the 30 seconds, we marketed us. So the marketing can be by the way you look. Okay, so what the dress you are wearing and how you are speaking. Okay, and it is marketed in all others' mind. For example, the 65 students are there means so balance. So one person is presenting means balance 64% are your target audience. Okay, they are actually watching you. Okay, how you are marketing, it matters. So few people forget to tell their name itself. Okay, they took it very serious that it is a task. But whatever it may be, marketing as is the first thing. As it is a laptop, as we are in online, I can see the name that you written, so I can able to recognize. Otherwise, you might be speaking well, you might be telling very good point, but you may not be get remembered. That is the one thing. So in the last 30 minutes, you try to recollect what are things we learned from the marketing. Marketing, we learned a lot of things. We know about the persons, their name. We just try to understand their personality, their preference, and with respect to their economic, how they are looking economically, or they are stylish, these lot of things we are able to understand. So even with the 15 or 30 seconds, okay, even the audience is completely new. We may not be met mostly, but we are able to create some image on the minds of the target audience. Okay, but that might be changing. So when we are coming in the forthcoming classes, the way we discuss, the image will change. And when we are coming offline, it will be completely changing sometimes. But please understand, whenever there is an opportunity is given, so you have to project you as much as possible. That is the main reason we came to MBA. So MBA is not at all an educational course. It's not at all educational to learn, and it is not the course to teach. It is actually the course which has to practice, and it can be considered as a soft skill. Okay, all the subjects what we are studying in the MBA are all the soft skill. Okay, so if you ask a person who is from a BBA or a BSc Physics or a Chemistry, whatever it may be, after 2 years, what is the difference means? The difference is not only the concepts we learn, the personality, how we changed, how our attitude changed, how our behavior changed, how we our decision making changed. This is the matter. So please always take all the subjects as a learning part and try to find out all possible opportunity to present you, to position you. So some people try to present, but they forget to position their name. So that is also important. So whenever, so it is a suggestion as a marketing faculty, I am saying, whenever possible, whatever the subject, whatever the scenario, so please try to come first. Okay, so just when you are coming first, then only it is we are able to recollect. So and come frequently. It's not only the coming first, come frequently. So whenever the chance is given, try to answer right or wrong. If you don't know the answer, the right way to question is asking a question. If somebody is asking question repeatedly means, then also you will remember the name. So these are some strategies you can adopt to position yourself. So in the college also, the next 2 years, you are going to market you. You have to show the brand, how you want to be, and you are going to position in everybody's mind, and you are going to find out the target audience. The target audience may be the faculty or your friends or your expected company. Okay, so all places we have to market. Okay, so from this discussion, so we will try to understand a few concepts, because today we are discussing about the introduction of the marketing. So before going to the class, I'll just want to introduce about me. Okay, so I am Dr. D. Ravindran. I'm basically from Tamil Nadu, to the place called Karaikudi, Sivaganga district. Okay, so I completed my BSc Physics. Then after that, I did MBA, specialized in marketing in Allahabad University. Then I joined in a company called BPL Sanyo in the campus placement. Then I moved to the company called Dabur India Limited. Then I moved to the company called Goodyear Tires. Then I worked in a Airtel telecommunication. Then finally I worked in a PepsiCo. So all the companies I worked in a different places, but all are channel management. The word is called as channel management. It is not a direct selling. I have to handle the distributors, and I have to handle the territory. There will be around 5,000 retailers in some places, or otherwise there will be 5,000 customers. I have to handle through the distributor salesman, through the super stockist. So that is called as a channel management or a distribution management. Then after a certain period of years, in between, I finished my MPhil and I cleared my UGC NET. That is a qualification exam for the teaching. So I got an opportunity in a B school. So I joined in a B school in Kanjipuram. Then I moved to Chennai. I worked in RMK Engineering College. Then I worked in a Kit and Kim college that is located in my place, Karaikudi. Then now I am working in Christu Chaitya College for the last 2 years. So in the entire career, I am so much interested in marketing. I learned marketing, I worked in marketing, I am teaching marketing, and I will be taking some subjects related to marketing or management or international business related to this. And with respect to my interest is, I like sales. Okay, I like sales. There is a difference between sales and marketing that we will discuss later. So as a personality, as a marketing person, I wish to speak to more person. Okay, I wish to learn from more person. I wish to network in all possible ways. Okay, I try to brand myself in a different way. Okay, even I work in around 5 companies. All the 5 companies are very different. Well, first one start with the electronic durables, then another one goes with the FMCG product. Next one starts with the car tire. Another one is a telecommunication. The last one is a soft drink. So even the brands are different, even the products are different. I felt if we say marketing, if we say sales, all are same. So for example, Airtel is a service. It's not a product, it's a service, but whatever it may be, whatever a brand, whatever a product, whatever a place, whoever the customers, some system or some framework, some structure is same in marketing. We have to understand the structure, then we can adapt very easily. So even a teaching, I felt it is a marketing. So I'm actually marketing my concepts. I'm making you people to listen. I'm trying my level best to position myself, my concepts, etc. So everywhere marketing is there. So when we are discussing these things, that also when we are explaining, we are actually marketing yourself. That is the matter. So I am a marketing faculty. I am happy to say as I'm a marketing faculty. This is my brief introduction. Okay, so coming to the subject, the marketing. So I will just show you the syllabus for your understanding. And example, if you people interacted me, then our subject will be interestingly will be going. So in later period of time, we will be giving some assignments in WhatsApp, and we will be giving assignments in Google Form. This way it will go. So the subject is most notly related to preparing and studying the subject, but it is mostly related to thinking application oriented. Okay. Okay. So in the forthcoming classes, we will be expecting more information. And I request all the people to, for example, if you are going to discuss tomorrow something, you have to prepare today. So for the next class, you just to go through some of the points: marketing, what is meant by marketing, what are the importance of marketing, what are the components of marketing, how the sales and marketing is different. Okay, what is brand, what is product, what is service, like this, just to go through as a basic thing. Okay, just to go through. So relaxedly go through the basic things with respect to the marketing, and try to only one request: try to see advertisement regularly. If you need example, try to see advertisement regularly, TV advertisement or FM radio advertisement. Here the advertisements or a banner poster. So hereafter, please open your eyes. Wherever the product is available, wherever the brand is available, wherever the discount is available, wherever the banner available, wherever the advertisement coming in, please listen to it. That itself will cover most of our subject. We will discuss with this. Okay. So thank you, friends, for the wonderful discussion and